Road trip to Hooker Valley Track.
The Hooker Valley Track is the most popular and scenic short walking track within the Aoraki Mount Cook National Park in New Zealand, which is a rugged land of ice and rock. This track is 5 kilometers long and height is about 100 meters. The well-formed track has been named one of the best day walks in New Zealand. Along the way, you will cross 3 swing bridges and encounter picturesque glaciers, icebergs, and majestic mountains that will have you reaching for your camera at every moment. This track is maintained by the Department of Conservation. It leads up the Hooker Valley and along the Hooker River, ending at the Glacier Lake. The vegetation around the track is open alpine tussock, and as such the track offers amazing views of Aoraki Mount Cook on a clear day. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.